Looking for an upgraded transmission mount for your 5 or 6 speed Subaru? This is the Torque Solution upgraded transmission mount. What's up guys, Rick with RallySport Direct here. In front of me I have the Torque Solution transmission mount specific for the 5 and 6 speed Subarus. I've got the box right here. Let's go ahead and open this thing up. So here's the mount itself and the 5-speed adapter and a sticker that got beat to crap in shipping. So I'm sorry to whoever gets this particular one, and it looks like it's covered in Loctite or something gross. Yuck. Anyway, we're gonna pretend that sticker doesn't exist. So this is the actual, this whole thing is covered in like Loctite. This is disgusting. Anyway, I don't know where to grab this thing. All right, this is the Torque Solution transmission mount as stated. So this is gonna work on basically any 5-speed or virtually any 6-speed Subaru. So if you've got like a 93 plus Impreza, 02 plus WRX, 04 plus STI, this is gonna work for you, which is pretty cool. It is all CNC'd aluminum with 75 durometer polyurethane bushings in there. So basically, this is your main transmission mount. Now, of course, you also have other things underneath the transmission or under the mount as well that connect to the actual frame, but this connects from the transmission to the transmission cross member. And so this is gonna be your main connection to the drivetrain. And so your factory bushing, your factory transmission mount is garbage, honestly. It's very, very soft rubber, and under hard acceleration, braking, shifting, it'll just sit and flex and make a mess of all sorts of things, which you don't want, unless you value comfort over everything else, which if you bought an STI or WRX, you probably don't. And that's where something like this comes into play, because it provides a nice, much more solid mount. And so your shifts are a lot cleaner. They seem to be a lot quicker. Anytime you plant your foot into the go fast pedal, you get a lot more direct response out of the drivetrain, because instead of that drivetrain soaking up what the engine is doing, it's just transferring it directly back to the differential and allows it to do its thing. So by replacing your factory bushings with aftermarket ones like these, you definitely get a lot more response out of the car, and just a lot more direct feedback through the car as well. You can really feel exactly what's going on, which is important. Now, being just like this is specific for the 6-speed, but Torque Solution has included this 5-speed adapter as well, which goes on just like that. And how you know it's a 5-speed adapter? Because it says 5MT on it. Boom, right? Pretty simple. But installation on these is actually pretty easy. You drop the cross member or the transmission cross member, remove the factory mount, bolt this one up in place using your factory hardware here on here, and then put the cross member back on, and the factory nuts go back on there. So very simple to install, probably takes all of about 45 minutes once you get the car up in the air. All stainless steel hardware, CNC'd aluminum, polyurethane bushings, it's good stuff, right? And of course you've got the Torque Solution logo right there as well, so people know that the solution to your torque, this is like the actual definition of a torque solution. I know they make other products where I'm like, this doesn't really solve any problems of torque, but this one does. That's really dumb. Okay, anyway, if you are looking for an upgraded transmission mount, definitely check this one out. It's very cool. Anyway, that's all the time we've got for you today. Thanks for checking out what's in the box. We'll see you guys next time.